Good morning everyone, good evening, good afternoon kung saan mang lupalop kayo ng mundo naroroon. Tagal-tagal tayong hindi nakapag-vlog but then sobrang busy sa church. But anyways, I'm going now to the Bottle Depot. So dito sa Canada may pera sa basura. So punta tayo din, magbenta tayo ng bottles, pambili ng pagkain. So yun, we're going to the Bottle Depot. Ayan, yung basura natin, dalawang natin kung magkano ito. So yun oops, naglag pa yung cellphone ko. So now we're going to the Bottle Depot para magbenta. Ay, Diyos ko. Yan na. So let's go. Kaya lang wala akong ano dito eh. I don't have clip sana. Let's check. Bukan natin ba? And filming while driving. Okay. Ayan na, so if you can see the rabbit, ay, tumakbo. The jackrabbit, ang kulay nila ay gray na. So meaning to say it's spring. It's springtime. Springtime day. Ayan, may mga ibon na. Alis ka dyan, ibon. Malabas na sila. Pero I feel like dito kasi talaga sa Alberta, iba-iba yung season in one season. Talagang iba siya sa ibang part ng Canada. Like the other places in Canada, they're already enjoying spring at this point of time, but here in Alberta, particularly here in Calgary, nah. It's sunny today, but it's gloomy somewhere on the southern part. So according to the weather forecast, baka magano pa, may flurries pa today. So yeah, Ayan, medyo madilim doon na part, if you notice. I mean, parang ayun, parang paano ba sabihin? Gloomy. Paano ba sabihin? Sa Bisaya kasi dag-um. Hindi ko lang alam sa Tagalog kasi I'm not a Tagalog speaker. I'm a Visayan speaker. So it's dag-um in Tagalog. Paano nga ba? Nakalimutan ko kung paano nga. Basta yun na yun. Traffic still no, it's not the typical traffic medyo naman dito, saglit lang. So yun, nangongolekta kami ng mga this is not a professional way of collecting, but professional way of collecting. Pero sinisave namin yung mga water bottles na ginagamit namin at home. And yeah, save namin and bibenta namin. So habot din ng mga isang buwan. So in 1 month nakakadalawang you call this, nakakadalawang garbage bag na large, extra large I believe it's an extra large. So ayun, since wala nung ginagawa sa bahay, so I was tasked to bring this to the bottle depot. Pero normally, sa ganyan kadami, maabot kami ng $40. So what is $40? How much is $40 in the Philippines? $40. 1,000 din yata mahigit. So matagal po akong hindi nakapag-vlog kasi busy po talaga, sobra. Like from the rising of the sun to its setting. Like I'm doing something. It's either for my niece or for the church. So it's very hard for me to vlog. So dami kong gustong topics na pag-usapan. But unfortunately, it's really very hard for me to shoot a vlog kasi sobrang busy po talaga. So ngayon lang ako actually very random lang po itong vlog ko ngayon, and very very random lang. Like my mom asked me to bring the bottles to the bottle depot. And then I believe this is the perfect time for me to update my channel. Like it's crazy, like it's very very hard for me to shoot, but di ko nakakalimutan, like it's always it's always in my mind to shoot a vlog. To shoot a vlog, is that the correct term? Or to vlog? I believe it's to vlog, because vlogging is shooting, right? I don't know, whatever. So yun, and then medyo mahihain pa po ako, hindi pa ako masyadong, like, been doing this for several years, but I never I never get through it, like, you know, like other vloggers when they used to it, like for how many times that they've been doing it, like they don't feel any you know, shame. Hindi naman nakakaya, di ba? I mean, hindi nakakaya ang vlogging, but then it's just that I still don't have that confidence in me. Not just yet, but we'll be getting there. You'll get there, right? Ayun. So tomorrow is Palm Sunday. So nangyari dun sa palms namin, like, because we don't have palms here in Alberta, because it's really cold. So hindi yata nabubuhay talaga dito yung coconut. Walang coconut dito because coconut's a tropical tree, right? I believe. So walang coconut dito, so we still have to order palaspas or palms in Ontario. So I believe dumating yung in-order nung pastor namin, yung pari namin sa St. Francis of Assisi Parish. By the way, panoorin nyo naman yung yung vlog ko sa St. Francis of Assisi Parish, kasi 1 view lang. Ako lang yata yung nanood. Maybe because the algorithm, it doesn't you call this offer to the viewers out there, but it's okay. But the vlog is still there, so it's only 1 view. That I believe that I was the only one who watched my own vlog. So please, about St. Francis, please watch them. But anyways, our pastor in St. Francis of Assisi Parish, in-order niya yata yung palms like a month ago, and then dumating I'm sorry about that. Dumating yata nung 2 weeks ago, and then I don't know where did he stock it. Like, I believe it should be supposed to be put in a cooler place para hindi siya malanta. However, when we opened the box, oh my god, it's really napakabaho, tapos inaamak na yung inaamak na yung mga palaspas. Kaya ang ginawa namin, hinugasan muna namin yung tapos pinunasan. And then yeah, I brought some at home yesterday, and this morning medyo na nga siya, medyo nag-brown at saka naging medyo crispy, medyo crunchy siya. So dito kasi hindi katulad dyan sa Pilipinas, talagang very creative ang mga Pilipino when it comes to Palm Sunday. Like may mga cross, may mga dove, di ba? Gumagawa tayo mga ganun. So since I know how to do it, like the cross only, I don't know how to create a dove out of a palm. So ginawan ko na lang siya ng cross. Kahit pa paano maging matigas na siya, tapos pag winaggayway mamaya, kasi it's Saturday today, so magsa-start mamaya anticipated mass yung Palm Sunday. So we'll be like going to give those palms sa mga parishioners, some of it, kasi yung iba talaga, I hope yung iniwan namin sa church hindi siya naging ganun, pero hindi nila ko dito sa bahay talaga naging. So ayan, malapit na po tayo sa Battle Depot. So like, yan na po yung Battle Depot. Yan. So magano lang tayo, mag-U-turn. Yeah. Holy cow. Ayan yung Battle Depot. Okay. Oh, hi. Good. How are you? I only have two. Hey, can I pass the video? Okay.
Do you need your bag?
No, it's okay. I understand. So yan, binibilang na nila. Thank you. So we got, I think it's this. I think that's this. Yeah. You check first. Yeah, that's yours. So yeah, we got like 36.80. So $36.80. So yan po yung ano, total. So just to make it authentic, right? So may pera talaga sa basura. The Saddle Ridge Battle Depot. So that's the total. $36.80. So yun, meron na tayong pambili ng kaudes. Meron na tayong pambili ng watermelon ni Amber. Like, she's been asking for watermelon like yesterday, but we were not able to buy. Nakalimutan namin bumili kasi paborito niya talaga. So yeah. So that's the Battle Depot. It's a Battle Depot. So ayun. Ito yung isa sa ina-admire ko dito sa tawag nito dito sa Canada. Like they really give value to the garbage. Kasi apparently pag hindi kasi nakakolekta to sa sobrang dami ng tao dito, talagang isa siya sa makaka-cause ng pollution. And in fact, those water bottles can be recycled, right? So for sure gagawa sila ng anything out of it, right? So ito talaga yung isa sa maganda. Sa Pilipinas meron namang ganito, 'di ba? Pero sobrang lang talaga, sobrang baba lang talaga ng price. Well, I really don't know. Pero when I remember when I was in my elementary way back in Iligan City where I was born. Isa yan sa mga inano namin, like for us to get an extra money for school or for food, for snacks. Ayan, nangongolekta kami ng mga bottles sa Pilipinas para ibenta. Pero syempre, sentimo lang talaga din. Meron pa din namang gumagawa sa Pilipinas ng ano. And in fact, some of them na namamasura, yung mga nangangalakal sa what do you call this? They were able to like they were able to like improve their lives, right? Like talagang tiyaga-tiyaga lang talaga. I know it's not easy. I know it's not easy to be out there with the heat of the sun, especially in the Philippines. I'm talking about the Philippines, like especially with the heat of the sun, and then ayun, naghahanap basura to basura, hopping from one trash bins to another, or group of trash, or yeah, mga ganon. Talagang hindi madali, especially kung talagang sa Pilipinas, even if we're encouraged to like segregate our wastes, hindi natin nagagawa. Kaya yung ibang nangangalakal talagang tiyaga-tiyaga talagang di ba? Talagang nangolekta sila kahit na mixed yung basura, yung nabubulok dun sa mga kahit na tinatagtag nila yun, na tinuhugasan sa kanila ibinebenta. Kaya I really admire those people who really work hard and have that initiative, kasi nga mahirap magpaghanap ng trabaho, lalo na pag wala ka masyadong pinag-aralan. So kahit nga yung mga may pinag-aralan, nahihirapang maghanap ng trabaho. So some of our kababayan there talagang naghahanap ng way to put something on their table, right? So kaya ngayon nare-realize ko, like, yeah, kung talagang matyaga lang talaga ang tao, talagang makakaahon sa hirap. Right? Meron pa nga iba nakakabili pa ng motor, nakakabili ng paunti-unti para sa bahay, nai-improve yung kanilang pamumuhay sa pagtsatsaga. At the end of the day, it's really about how you improve your life. Given na kasi yun kung mahirap talaga, right? But if you're contented to be like that, and will not do something about it, so lalo kang maghihirap. But if you really have the courage, I know it's easier said than done, but we really have to work hard for us to eat. Right? Ako minsan guilty ako, minsan masyado akong dami kong complaints, like bakit ganito lang, but if you're going to see other people who really work hard, nakaka-inspire talaga, right? How much more yung mga may pinag-aralan, yung mga nakakaluwag-luwag sa buhay, like they were blessed with yung mga bagay-bagay sa buhay, right? So I hope they will also alam mo yung pangangalagaan nila, they'll take good care of what they have, right? And secure na hindi sila magugutom, kasi mahirap magutom, to tell you, like, it's really very hard. Nakakaiyak lang. But anyways, yeah, this is just actually to let you see kung paano ginagawa ng mga Canadians yung kanilang mga water bottles. Ayan, may $36.80. How much is that in peso after going to Punjab? Punjab. This is the place where I buy fruits and vegetables, because this is, I believe, this is owned by Indian National, and their vegetables is so good for me, at least. Kaya bibilihan ko ng watermelon si Amber. We're almost there. See you through when you reach for the stars, when you cross the deepest sea, when you climb the highest hill. My love will always be with you in everything you do, in every step you make, in every road you take. Don't be afraid. Back up lang tayo. Oh my God, bakit dito ako? Sa sirang oopsie. I think I will be, yeah, I think I'm good. So I believe, oh, I'll just charge it with my phone, with my, so 36 total ko lang. So that's it. So that's 36.80. So depende sa conversion. So normally normally it's 41. So 41. So imagine meron akong 1,508 pesos for that. Diba? Goods na. So now I'm here at Punjab grocery store. See, so that's the Punjab grocery store. Grocery store. So I'm going to go buy watermelon. Watermelon. Oh, my. Unfortunately, they don't have watermelon, so mamaya na lang siguro. Okay. They don't have watermelon. So that's it, Pansit. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. So see you on my next video. I don't know when, but definitely I'll be having a video after this. All right. Thank you so much, guys. I hope you enjoy, and please like, subscribe, and comment down below. Thank you so much. Again, this is Bro Tito Jonsky. Maraming salamat. Thank you so much.